Before we start to put the movement back together again, I'll show you how to put the cap onto the mainspring barrel. This is a preferred method for doing it, much better than whacking it with a hammer. Put the cap on and push it down flat. I've got it down the end down here, and then hold that with your finger and your thumb. Open your vise, put the barrel in, and then slowly tighten the vise. Yeah, tighten it up a bit more so it doesn't move. Undo it, hold the part that's just come in, put it in again, tighten the vise up. We've got one to go, it's slightly out up there. Turn it round, tighten it down, got one to go, it's slightly out, alright. I didn't hear that pop in, so that's probably why. Right, let's check that. The cap's not fully installed yet, so I'll put it back into the vise, press it down, set the bottom piece that hasn't been closed up yet. Having the rubber bungs on this makes a difference. I just felt it drop in then. Tiny little bit over there. If I didn't have, there we go, it'll pop in. If it didn't have these rubber bungs on here, those pieces on there, it would have gone straight, it would have gone in straight away. But it's moving slightly with that. If you want to learn how to service, repair and restore 19th and 20th century mechanical clocks, then subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell.